the unboxing of the Solana mobile phone. Just recently got it. Now I'm going to open it up. Packaging's pretty basic, easy to open. Yeah, I've been waiting a long time for this phone. Finally came, and can't really resell it as of right now. So what I've decided to do is just to keep it. There you go. The Seeker. Let's rip it right open. Comes in a nice box, black box. Looks pretty decent. But the only thing I don't like so far is that it has 128 gigabytes of storage. I wish it had at least 256. But that's the minimal. Or yeah, you might be able to add more, but it comes with 128 gigabytes, which is okay. But if you take a lot of pictures, obviously that's not going to be enough. But I don't take that many pictures. I wish I had more storage, but you know, I can deal with 128, no problem. So let's open this baby up. Let's see. Lift it up. Oh yeah. Looks sleek. Feels good. Solid. Doesn't seem like it weighs too much, which is good and bad depending on what you're used to. Here it says Seed Vault. Curious what this is all about. And charging port goes in here, speakers, cameras, and then to power it up. So let's start it up. Let's see. Do I have to charge it, or does it come pre-charged? Oh, it comes pre-charged. Powered by Android, baby. So this is my first look at the Seeker. Looks nice. I like the design. So we'll take it from here. And I'll have to go through all the settings and all that stuff. And I'll make another video with all the features that it has. But it looks like a decent, nice phone for $500. I think it's worth it. But I'll have to review it further to see how it compares to the iPhone, since I have the iPhone for probably like 8 years now. Yeah, we'll see how it compares. Till next time, see you guys later.